See, today's topic is neighborhood of a point. In the last period I explained what is closure of a set and some properties of closure of a set. I think all of you followed that topic. You go through the video, and I am telling, if you have any difficulties, you are always welcome to ask your difficulties. You feel free to ask your difficulties. Now today's topic is neighborhood of a point. Neighborhood of a point. So we study neighborhood, limit point, interior, exterior, etc. in a topological space. In set theory you have studied what is neighborhood of a point. Neighborhood of a point is an open interval containing that point. Therefore it is infinite. In set theory, neighborhood of a point must be infinite. But see the difference here, neighborhood of a point is a finite set here. In a topological space, we define neighborhood of a point like this. Definition: suppose X to be any topological space, be a topological space. A point P belongs to X. The neighborhood of point P belongs to X. The neighborhood of, what is neighborhood of a point? Suppose a subset n of x, is said to be the neighborhood of P. X2 is a topological space and n is subset of x, is said to be the neighborhood of the point P if there exists an open set. What do you mean by open set? Open set means a member belonging to this two. There exists an open set, say G, such that P belongs to G and it is contained in N. So what is the neighborhood? Neighborhood of the point is defined like this. A subset N of X is said to be the neighborhood of the point P if there exists a member belonging to two, that is called open set, such that P belongs to, there exists an open set G, P belongs to that open set and it is contained in N. Then N is called neighborhood of the point. And what do you mean by open set? Open set means member of two. You know that X is suppose non-empty set. We form a collection of subsets of X. We denote that by 2. And if that collection of subsets of X, that is denoted by 2, satisfies 4 axioms, then it is called a topology. And the members of 2 are called open sets. So G is open set belonging to 2, such that P belongs to G and G must be contained in N. Then N is called neighborhood of the point. See, I take example which will be more clear. Example is, let capital X is equal to ABC, and tau is equal to X, pi, A and BC. X, pi, A and BC. Then this tau is a topology on X. That verification is left to you as exercise. And you will be you understand if you solve this problem. Say I leave this as exercise, that is tau is a topology. In every problem I will not verify whether it is a topology, but I know this is a topology, that your verification is left to you. How to verify? You have to verify 4 axioms. Say I have taken one topology 2 on X here. How many topologies on 3 symbols are possible? 23 topologies are possible. You can verify that 23 topologies, including 2 trivial topologies. Now, what is the neighborhood of the point? I take this. The set AC, what is AC? It is subset of X, is the neighborhood of, short form, neighborhood of the pointing. Because why it is the neighborhood of the point A? Because there exists open set A. Say A is here, it is called open set. Say that A belongs to singleton set A, which is contained in AC. Therefore, this AC, it is a subset of X here. A subset of X is called neighborhood of the point. AC is subset of X and it is the neighborhood of the point A. But AC is not the neighborhood of C. Why AC is not neighborhood of C? Understand, definition important here. When do you say that N is neighborhood of a point? If there exists an open set means members of two, such that P belongs to that open set and that open set is contained in N. N is AC here. And what are the open sets containing C? There are open sets containing C. What are that? BC and X are the two open sets containing C. But BC is not contained in AC or X is not contained in AC. Therefore, AC is not the neighborhood of point C. And here, AC is only the neighborhood of the point E. Neighborhood of the point E. See the results on this. I take one more example here. Second example. Capital X is equal to A, B, C, D, E and tau is equal to X, Y, A, AB, ABC and ABCD. Then tau is the topology on X. Tau is the topology on X. You can verify here. Tau is topology on X. What is tau? X by A, AB, ABC, ABCD. It is a topology on X. You can easily verify. Find the neighborhoods of. Find all the neighborhoods of. Short form I use neighborhoods of. First one point B. Second one point D. Find all the neighborhoods of point B. See, neighborhood of the point means a subset N of X is said to be neighborhood of the point if point P, if there exists an open set containing P and it is contained in N. Now, first we find out what are the open sets containing B. What are the open sets containing B? AB, ABC, ABCD and X. See, all these are neighborhoods of B. Why AB is neighborhood of B? Because AB is subset of X here and the open set containing B is AB itself. Since AB is open, AB is the open set containing B and it is contained in AB. Followed? It is important result. That means a open set is neighborhood of each of its points. We prove this as an important result. Here, what are the open sets containing B? X, AB, ABC, ABCD. All these are neighborhoods of B here. Because consider AB. Then, when do you say that AB is neighborhood of B? There should exist an open set containing B which is contained in AB. That open set containing B is AB itself. So, the neighborhoods of point B are first one X, second one AB, third one ABC, fourth one ABCD. Next is I take ABE here. ABE is also neighborhood of the point B because open set is AB. When do you say that why AB is neighborhood of the point B? Because there exists an open set containing B, that is AB, which is contained in AB. Therefore, AB is neighborhood of point B. Next is I take ABD, ABC is already there, ABE, ABD, and yes, these are the neighborhoods of the point B. Next is ABCE. ABCE. It is the neighborhood of the point B, because when do you say that a subset n of x is neighborhood of the point? Neighborhood of the point B. If there exists an open set G such that B belongs to G, which is contained in N. Neighborhood is subset of x here. Any subset of x may be the neighborhood of the point. I have taken A, B, E, C, E here. It is the neighborhood of the point B because what is the open set containing B and is contained in ABCE? It is ABC or also AB. ABC and ABC, both open sets contain this B and are contained in ABC. Therefore, ABC is also neighborhood of the point B. Any more sets, subsets of X you can find out neighborhood of the point B, because point is find all the neighborhoods of the point B. First I have taken open sets containing B. All the open sets containing B are neighborhoods of the point B. Next I have taken this ABE, ABD and ABC. And try this, any more subset you can form here, because X is ABCD. ADE, it is not the, no, BDE, it is not the, BD is subset of X which contains B, but you cannot find out an open set which contains B and contained in ABD. Contained in ABD. I think these are the neighborhoods of the point B. I think definition is clear to all of you. What is neighborhood of the point? I have taken an example here. Second one I leave that as exercise. You try that. The neighborhood of the point D you have to find out. Follow now what is the definition. This is exercise. You try this. Next example is in the real space. In the real space, what do you mean by real space? If U is a usual topology on R, you have studied this usual topology. U is a usual topology on R, then the space RU is called real space. In the real space RU, whether or not each of the following subsets of R is a neighborhood of 0. First one, minus 3/4, 1/4, open interval or closed interval, minus 3/4, 1/4. Second, minus 1/2, minus 1/6, union, minus 1/8, 1/2. Third one, closed interval 0, 3/4, open at right hand. Fourth one, 0, half. Question is whether each of the following is neighborhood of the point 0 in the usual topology U. You have studied what is usual topology U. How do you define usual topology? U is, how U is defined here? U is called usual topology if U is defined like this. Suppose set R be the set of all reals, and for each X belongs to R, if there exists an open interval I such that X belongs to I, which is contained in G, then G belongs to U. G belongs to U. Suppose A is pi, then it belongs to U. Suppose A is not pi, then for each X belongs to A, there should exist an open interval I such that X belongs to I and it is contained in A or G. then U is a topology on R. We have proved this, and that is called usual topology. Now, minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4, is it a neighborhood of the point 0? I say it is neighborhood of 0 because minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4 is the open interval which is contained in this and which contains 0. Therefore, what is the open set containing 0 which is contained in this? That is the open interval minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4. Every open interval is open set here. Every open interval in U is open set, that we have proved. Therefore, when do you say that 0 is neighborhood of the point? 0 is, or minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4 is neighborhood of the point 0 because there exists one open set, that is the open interval minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4, which contains 0 and it is contained in this. Therefore, it is the neighborhood of point 0. This is also neighborhood of the point. Why it is the neighborhood of the point? Because, see this one, minus 1 by 8, 1 by 2, it contains 0. Therefore, the open interval containing 0 is this itself. It is open set, it is, because it is open interval. So, it is also neighborhood of the point 0. What about this? I say that it is also neighborhood of 0 because open interval containing 0 is I think it is not the neighborhood of the point 0 because what is the open interval containing 0? There should be less than 0 here, correct? Less than 0. 0, 3 by 4, I take 0, 3 by 4 open interval, but this 0 doesn't belong to this. 0 doesn't belong to this, correct? If open interval is there, then it becomes the neighborhood of the point 0. This is not the neighborhood of the point 0. Why it is not the neighborhood of 0? See the definition for 0 is that any set n is said to be neighborhood of the point P if there exists an open set G such that P belongs to G which is contained in X. This is the definition. But in this case, sorry, what is the open set containing 0? Open interval containing 0. Open interval containing 0, I take 0, 3 by 4, but it does not belong to this. So it is not the neighborhood of 0. What about this? 0 half. It is the open set containing, whether it contains 0, it doesn't contain 0. Because how to define open interval? Open interval 0 half means all x greater than 0 less than half. 0 doesn't belong to this. So this is also not the neighborhood of 0. This is not neighborhood of 0. This is not neighborhood of 0. But this is neighborhood of 0. This is neighborhood of 0. You followed my explanation? Go through again. If you have any doubts, you are free to ask here. You can write your comments about this explanation. 0 half is not the neighborhood of 0. This 0, 3 by 4 is also not the neighborhood of 0. Is not the neighborhood of 0. Because if you take 0, 3 by 4 open interval, but it doesn't contain 0. 0, 3 by 4 is contained in this. So these two are not the neighborhood of the point. Now one important result, we take this as theorem. It is, take this statement, let X2 be a topological space. X2 be a topological space. A subset capital A of X is open if and only, it is the neighborhood of each of its points. In the problem, in the second or third problem, that is find all the neighborhoods of B, I have used this one. What is that? A subset A of X in a topological space X2 a subset A of X is open if and only if it is neighborhood of each of its points. Two parts are there. What is the first part? Proof of this. See, this is a very important theorem, or every theorem is important in topology. What are the theorems I consider? All are important. And this theorem can be converted into MCQ. Multiple choice question. How do you make this multiple choice question? X to be a topological space, then a subset of X is open if and only if this part will be converted into 4 choices. First choice is if and only if it is neighborhood of each of its point. It is not the neighborhood of each of its point. It is neighborhood of some of its points, few of its points. None of this. Then it becomes a MCQ question. So concept you understand first, then if any question is converted into MCQ, you will be able to answer that one. Here, what is the theorem? Understand this. A subset A of X in a topological space X2 is open if and only if it is neighborhood of each of its points. First part is, suppose A is open. Suppose capital A is open. What you have to prove? A is neighborhood of each of its points. And we claim that A is neighborhood of X belongs to A, because the open set containing open set containing X is A itself. That is, X belongs to A. This is open set which is contained in A. Therefore, capital A is neighborhood of X. But X is arbitrary point. X is arbitrarily taken. Therefore, capital A is neighborhood of each of its points. This is first part. Conversely, what is the converse? Suppose capital A is neighborhood of each of its points. What do you have to prove now? Capital A is open. First part is over. Second part is suppose capital A is neighborhood of each of its points. We have to prove that capital A is open. Let for that P belongs to A. Since capital A is neighborhood of P, there exists an open set. I write GP such that open set means it belongs to topological toe. Open set means it belongs to toe. There exists open set GP such that P belongs to GP, which is contained in A. Now, what is A? Yes, anybody? What is A? A is any set we have taken. Correct? A is any subset of X, but we have taken A is neighborhood of each of its points. And we have taken P belongs to A, arbitrary point. Therefore, A is equal to union of this P. Union of P, where P belongs to A. Because A is arbitrary point we have taken belongs to A. P is arbitrary point belongs to A. Therefore, A is union of P, which is contained in union GP. P belongs to A, and it is contained in E. So what happens? A is equal to union of GP, P belongs to A. A is union of GP. Now what is GP? Open set. Since union of open sets is open set, A is open. So this is the proof. What is the theorem? A subset A of X is open if and only if it is neighborhood of each of its points. That is the theorem. Next is limit point of a set. Limit point of a set or limit points and derived sets. Limit points and derived sets. I think that definition neighborhood of a point is clear to all of you. We may use that one later again, neighborhood of a point. Next definition, limit point. What is limit point of this? Limit point means, see the definition is like this. Suppose X to be any topological space, and I explain the definition. X to be any topological space, and a point X belongs to X is called the neighborhood of, what is that, the limit point. X belongs to X is called the limit point of a subset capital A of X. A of X, if and only every open set containing X, contains a point of A other than X. See the definition is like this. Suppose X to be a topological space and A be subset of X, capital A, and X belongs to X, that is important. X belongs to X is called limit point of the set A if and only every open set containing X contains a point of A other than X. Say, I don't know how much definition you followed. If I give example, then it will be more clear. Understand the definition first. To understand the definition, you have to read more and more. You have to read, then only you can understand. And you have to solve the problems, then you will be thorough with the definition. Limit point definition is like this. X2 is a topological space. Capital A is a subset of X. Second thing, capital A is a subset of X. A point X belongs to X. This is important. A point X belongs to X is called a limit point of the set A if every open set containing X contains a point of A other than X. And you can easily remember this definition by this notation form. A point X belongs to X is a limit point of A if and only A minus X intersection or G minus X intersection A is not equal to pi for all open sets G containing X. This is simple way to remember this. What is limit point of a set? What is limit point of a set? Every open set containing X contains a point of A other than X. G is the open set containing X, and you take G minus X intersection A not equal to pi means G contains a point of A other than X. That is the definition. I give the examples in the next video. Thank you.